Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Start with that nice round head and that nice slope of the ears. So this looks to me like a kind of sad, downtrodden feral cat. Little beat up. I know it's kind of sad, but sometimes it's good to to make a statement through your art, and this is what I'm trying to do here. Get some lines in there, make sure I place the eyes properly. Yeah, I like where I got the features. I'm just going easy on the lines because I don't want to take away from the expression by adding too many extra lines. And that one eye is closed a bit, maybe injured from a rough life. Beautiful little soul with her rough life. Hopefully rescued now. Hopefully was rescued and placed in a loving home. I would love to hear about your rescue cats. If you have a rescue cat, I would love to hear their story. So please feel free to drop me a comment and tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. And if you do that, please put video idea in capital letters, and that way I can find it easier. I don't do a lot of specific breeds unless, you know, it's a common type of cat in rescue. I would rather focus on the rescue cats. There's so many cats that need rescuing. We don't need to make more through breeding. Rough up that ear a bit to add to the look. Poor little baby. Just gotta think about every line at this stage because it's easy to overdo it and, you know, kind of overdo a simple little drawing with too many extra lines. We don't want to do that. Soften it up a bit with the eraser. And as you see, those little lines I added right beside the mouth, it kind of changed the expression, looking from really, really sad to maybe there's a little bit of hope in there. Yeah, sign it. But I forgot the whiskers. There we go with whiskers. And I also decided after that I wanted to take this darker pencil and darken things up a bit to help things pop. This is a carbon sketch pencil. It's nice and dark for sketching. Helps it show up on my videos. And what I started with was just a regular graphite mat. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.